So I thought I would make a video showing you some of the weird comments that I'm getting on YouTube since I started uploading here. Starting off with this lady who reckons Kate going missing is something to do with Donald Trump using diversionary tactics. I don't know what to say to that one. Next, we've this fella here, when I was looking for someone to cook sausages and burgers as samples, who tried to say the Irish are thick and spelled, instead of saying wonder why the Irish have a certain reputation, spelled wonder why the Irish have a certain reputation. Yeah, you didn't cover yourself in glory in that one. You made yourself look thick. Next, we've this commenter who doesn't understand the simple joy and pleasure Irish people seem to get from watching the English royal family in turmoil. She says, are people's lives so empty that they need to follow the health of a royal in another country? Sad state of affairs these days. It's not that they care, it's just that they're laughing. This next one did make me think people just don't have sense of humour anymore and they take everything 100% literally. Because I put up a video saying that for white women between the ages 25 and 55, air fryers are like crack cocaine, they can't get enough of them. And this lady says, what? I'm a white woman and I'll never own an air fryer. Seriously. She said that with the conviction of someone back in like the early 1900s who was against slavery and was like, I will never own a black person, thank you very much. It's an air fryer, they're very handy. Keep your options open, that's all I'm saying. And finally for today, we've this person who says, get a life. In fact, get a job instead of gossip mongering, you're like an old fishwife. Telling me to get a job from my own shop's Facebook page, the shop that is named after me, Keith Grant Master Butchers, which is clearly my own business that also employs other people. Gossip mongering is a new word to me though, I might use that again. Follow me for more sexy butcher content.